Our very first Pyrite Silver 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan S is here. The entry-level starting trim for the Tiguan in this model year, the most affordable model. This is how Volkswagen is hooking you up straight out of the box when it comes to the Tiguan. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where finally I've gotten a Pyrite Silver 2026 Tiguan here on the channel for you guys today because, well, we have a Tiguan S and Pyrite Silver, well, that's a standard color for this model year. Everything else you see here today is also standard. This is fresh from the factory, no additional options, the most affordable model you're gonna get in the 2026 model year. So let's go over what we have straight out of the box. Let's see the options and features and sticker breakdown and everything that you guys get standard when it comes to the 2026 Tiguan S. Now, always big shout out to Volkswagen Brandon here in Florida for letting me take a spin around this Tiguan S. Now, we want to help support you guys, how you guys have been supporting us for the channel. So with that said, when you guys come shop here at Volkswagen Brandon in Florida and use the coupon codes, either Ron's Rides or Ron's Rebates with your sales specialist or sales manager, they will give you $500 off your next Volkswagen Brandon vehicle just by, coming in, using those coupon codes, shopping with us, because we want to support you guys how you support us. So let's talk about underneath the hood when it comes to power and performance of the Tiguan S, because right out of the box, we still get some good stuff here with this turbocharged and intercooled 16-valve Miller cycle inline 4 engine with an iron block, aluminum head, and direct fuel injection, pumping out 201 horsepower and 221 pounds-feet of torque. Now, you will have an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. That will rocket you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.5 seconds with a quarter-mile time in around 16.3 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in around 20.4 seconds, and a top speed estimated to around 125 miles per hour. Now, when we mention dimensions for the Tiguan S, we're looking at an overall wheelbase of 109.9 inches. We do have a length at 184.4 inches. We do have a width at 73 inches even, and we have a height at 66.5 inches with an overall curb weight of around 3,975 pounds. Now here it is, the Tiguan S in Pyrite Silver Metallic with a gray interior. Yes, we get Grigio inside, so we get silver and gray with this overall setup. And to have a metallic flake exterior free of charge, I mean, it looks really handsome with this overall spec. So first things first, you're gonna notice the same kind of clear cut, overall rounded and smooth lines when it comes to the front fascia, where you have the VW logo front and center. You have the glass insert, and then it flows right into those LED headlamps with the switchback turn indicators between bright, white, and amber. We will have illuminated, and the high beams and low beams there as well. Again, seamless, clean cut flow when it comes to that overall setup. Pyrite Silver comes back in, shining in the Florida sun, and then you guys will see our grille here with our gloss inserts, functional feed through up top as well with the overall plastic cladding. Then we come down because we have an aluminum trim when it comes to the overall front. And then you guys will see we have a functional feed through down here with the plastic cladding on the very front fascia with the integrated sensors there as well, standard. Now you will also see coming to the side, we do have the air inlays here, which are actually functional. You guys can kind of see the feed through there, maybe you guys can see it, but yeah, there's a functional feed through. There we go. I had to get the right angle. All right, you will also see we do have the Pyrite Silver here, plastic cladding, as well as that aluminum trim and the integrated sensors. So putting it all together, what do you guys think? Standard out of the box, the front fascia of this Tiguan S. Now the side profile is going to give us our very familiar Tiguan looks, all right, when it comes to the overall styling and design. You'll start off with the 17-inch alloy wheels with the bicolor finish and the VW logo front and center with some Assurance Goodyear tires. You will also see we have the plastic cladding for the wheel well here with the integrated sensor and the orange reflector there as well, right in that Pyrite Silver paint. Then it comes down with the plastic cladding and aluminum trim to match with the livery on the front fascia, all right, down that side skirt. And then we do have Pyrite Silver when it comes to your mirror caps with the integrated turn indicator and the Pyrite Silver on the door handles as well. Now we have a nice satin aluminum finish when it comes to the trim around the window moldings with the B pillar done in gloss black and the C pillar done in gloss black. We also have the aluminum roof rails here as well. And then come back, you guys will see the gloss black shark fin antenna with the Pyrite Silver spoiler. And we have that satin aluminum finish with the gloss black blades. Bringing it all together, tell me what you guys think when it comes to the side profile. of this Tiguan S. Now the rear profile is something special because, again, straight out of the box you get stylish looks. We're talking about the sloping roofline, the spoiler with the integrated third brake light. Matching up with that symmetry, you have the brake light going across the span of the vehicle in the rear and wrapping around the sides. Black housing here, as you guys can see, red strike through, and also the VW logo front and center with the clear lighting unit here for the turn indicators and the reflector there as well. Tiguan badging done in chrome, and then come down, you will also see we have the plastic cladding on the lower half, integrated sensors, vertical when it comes to the reflectors, bringing in that aluminum trim as well with the plastic rear diffuser, matching it up with the rest of the livery. Not bad, straight from the box when it comes to the rear of the Tiguan S. Now in the rear, when it comes to cargo, we start off with 27 cubic feet, which is a lot of space, right? But then we fold down the 40-60 rear folding split. We go all the way up to 59 cubic feet of space back here. You can see how tall the tailgate is. You can see we do have the LED light here and here. Yes, on both sides with the 12-volt plug-in. Extra storage here as well. We can fold down the seats by pulling the triggers here. We do have the all-weather mat, which is considered an option, but it's not necessarily adding to the vehicle in itself. So again, this is a no-option vehicle. You will also see we do have extra storage pockets on both sides here. And then, of course, underneath, we do have a false floor. Lift this up, and you guys will see we have our spare tire, and we also have our tools to get us back on the road as safely and as quickly as possible. What do you guys think when it comes to overall cargo and practicality of this Tiguan S for 2026? And when it comes to fuel economy, you're looking at 29, 26, 34. That means 29 combined seating highway, 26 for the city, 34 for the highway, and regular fuel can go inside of this Tiguan S. Now, as promised, let's take a look at that illumination when it comes to the Tiguan S, because you guys can see, as I mentioned, those switchback turn indicators between bright white and amber with the high beams and low beams there in that black housing. You will also see we do have the amber turn indicator right there in the mirror cap, looking brilliant. And then, of course, the turn indicators done in amber, the daytime running lights in red, and then the LED light bar going all the way across right into the VW logo. What do you guys think? The illumination of this Tiguan S. Now we have 51 cubic feet inside of this standard Grigio and black cloth interior. Now Grigio meaning gray. You guys will see gray accents, silver all throughout, gloss black, the regular cloth black, soft touches. It is all here. So you guys can see these seats looking wonderful, right? You have this livery all throughout the vehicle. You will also know that these are heated seats, and they are super comfortable as they are super soft. Speaking of soft, we have a lot of nice soft touches when it comes to the door paneling. So that injection molded plastic up top with the faux stitching, soft touch. We also will see that our door cards here done in the Grigio fabric is also soft touch with the white stitching. Soft touch on the armrest with white stitching there as well. We have the black pattern bezel there in the door with the silver door handle, lock buttons right there as well, speaker grills. And you'll also see your controls for your windows and your mirrors with extra storage pocket down there. We have the all-weather mats here for an accessory. All right, Tiguan branded. And then we close it up and we have a nice flat bottom steering wheel. All right, VW logo, front center on the airbag, 3-spoke design with the white stitching in the inners to go with the rest of the spec. This is a manual adjust, telescopic steering wheel, so we can lock it into place how we like it. We do have our stalks on the back. Our stalks will give us our wipers and high beams on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, well, we control our gears. We go between drive, neutral, reverse. Reverse will bring up our backup camera, and then we can press P for park. Now you will also see we have buttons on the steering wheel that will give us things like our cruise control on the left-hand side with radio controls to turn up and down the volume. And on the right-hand side, we can change the radio controls there as well to change the stations of the radio. We also have our hands-free voice controls, and we have menu controls for our digital instrument cluster here. So if I press view, you guys will see I can change the view depending on the 3 different layouts there. All right. I can also change what's on the left-hand side and right-hand side when it comes to the speedo. So I can press over to the left-hand side and go to different things here as well. All right, like average fuel economy, but we haven't gone anywhere. And then I can go to the right-hand side, and I can also go to either no display, I can go to average speed, travel distance, things like that as well, and put it up there too. So you can do different things when it comes to this overall setup. Now, what I do like about this is the flat dash up top with the injection molded plastic and faux stitching, because it's a great viewable when it comes to being able to see over to your hood. Now you also see a speaker grill right here in the A pillar with a nice light trim and fabrics when it comes to the headliner there. You also see silver here. All right, you have a dark and brighter aluminum kind of silver when it comes to the overall bezel surround with that black pattern as well, the HVAC vents here. Now we have the fabric that comes right back in from the door paneling, right over here in Grigio with the white stitching. And then we have our low beam light controls right here with extra storage, good for insurance, registration, things like that. 12.9-inch touchscreen here when it comes to our infotainment system, the newer system that you guys know from Volkswagen with things like our favorites, start, stop. We have our phone, radio controls, all of our settings. We could do our notifications here. Go back to our notifications and apps here. All right, you will also see our main menu here. By doing that, we got different screens. We have everything here, driver profiles. It's all set up here so nicely, super intuitive, and really just nice and user-friendly to kind of operate. Now, with that said, you also see we do have our climate controls fixed to the bottom of the screen, dual zone. You see the heated seats there. And for climate there, we also have a full menu screen for your climate controls as well. Now, that's not the only thing when it comes to climate, because we have a fixed touch bar here that will give us our climate controls, dual zone here as well. Also, radio volume controls there too. All right, and then you can also turn the screen off. Now coming through, you also see Grigio, white stitching, silver and aluminum with a black pattern there as well, all throughout, giving this a nice premium look. Then you guys got your bin style glove box there as well. Come down below, you also see our HVAC vents, gloss black there. Nice central tunnel here. All right, we do have our cup holder space. We do have extra storage, good for your phone, things like that. But your phone can also go right here in the wireless phone charging pad, or it can be charged by the USB-C plugins there as well. We do got our key fob down here as well. Nice premium key fob for a standard model, right? Now you have the nice gloss black backing with panic button, lock, trunk release, and unlock. All right, you will also see that we flip it over and we got the VW logo there as well. Now we do have a physical key too, because just in case the key fob battery dies, you need to get in the car, you can do that. Now, the cream of the crop, we do have our electric parking brake right here, and this is how we start the vehicle, but we do have a nice little touch panel here as well that gives us our volume controls for our radio, which is really nice. Okay, so you can turn them up and down just by using that as well. Now, with that analog dial, you will also see we do have a nice armrest here, white stitching, and you also see we do have extra storage underneath that armrest. Rearview mirror up top. We also have our dome light, one touch. Turn those on. All right, we got our information, settings, SOS, everything up top here as well. And then we have our visor, mirror, and lights on both the driver and passenger side. So again, this is all straight out of the box for the Tiguan. This is everything you guys are gonna need when it comes to your Tiguan S. I think they did a great job. No additional things really needed when it comes to this model. Now we have 50 cubic feet of space in the rear, which is just as good as up front with 51. So we're talking about plenty of leg room with this Grigio and black cloth interior, just like up front, giving you the same beautiful soft materials with monster mats to help protect the carpet. So you guys will see those. We also have our HVAC vents here, extra storage, and USB-C plugins down there as well. Come over here, you also see we do have the armrest with integrated cup holders, LEDs when it comes to our dome lights there as well. And then you can see we do have the injection molded plastic up top with the black bezel here, silver door handle. We have the Grigio soft cloth when it comes to our door cards, speaker grill there. We have the soft touch on the armrest with the white stitching. We do have our window controls with extra storage, speaker grill there as well, keeping it nice, spacious, and practical inside of the Tiguan S. So now let's break down the sticker of this 2026 Tiguan S with Pyrite Silver Metallic finish, Grigio and black cloth interior, and an 8-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission, starting life at $30,805. Now, after our additional options and our destination charge of $1,475, we're looking at a total price of $32,881. Now, how do we get to that price if we don't have options? Now, keep in mind, our Pyrite Silver Metallic finish is free of charge. Same with our Grigio and black cloth interior. What we do have is our built-in maintenance contract, the VW prepaid scheduled maintenance contract that you would take in for your oil changes and things like that. That's $305, so you're just paying ahead, right? Then you have your monster mats, all right? The floor mats with the trunk liner, $296. That's it. Those are not options. That's all you have here today. The floor mats are an accessory, and obviously the maintenance is just service work. You're putting it into your overall payment. So with that said, everything you see here comes standard. All right, performance, exterior, interior, technology and convenience, safety, and driver assistance. Make sure you guys pause, zoom in, screenshot. Do everything you guys need to do to see everything that comes standard on this Tiguan S for the 2026 model year. Even check the link down in the description below for Volkswagen brand's website link so you guys can get the full sticker breakdown, like the warranty information at 4 years, 50,000 miles. So what do you guys think, fresh out of the box, about this spec? So at $32,881, what do you guys feel about this Tiguan S done in beautiful pyrite silver? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, of course, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But also make sure you guys check the links down in the description below for Volkswagen brand's website link. Their phone number is there as well. All right, check out their inventory. Use the coupon codes Ron's Rides or Ron's Rebates. Give them a call and get $500 off your next Volkswagen branded vehicle. Make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.